Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add profile name on Synthesia application. Keep watching the video till the end. To add profile name on Synthesia, firstly go ahead and launch open your Synthesia application. The home page of Synthesia will appear on the screen. Click on No Profile option at the top right corner of the page. Click on Manage Profiles. Click on plus icon at the top right side of the page. Enter your name and click on OK. Now all you need to do is tap on Save. This is how you can add profile name on Synthesia application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.